Hi everybody. Of course, as we're getting ready for tailgating, why not show off your team spirit and bring your party to a whole new level with some of these really cool DIY crafts.
First, check out this awesome DIY portable candy and snack bar. Start out by getting some party tins. The first one, I took some acrylic brown paint and painted a small tin brown. Let it dry, then put on a second coat. And once it's dry a second time, cut some thin white tape. I found these at the dollar store. Head out your laces and then tape on those football laces. Add candy and voila, you have a great portable candy dish. I did the same thing to a bigger tin for some cute party gifts. I love to find my tins on clearance or even found some lying around. I painted this one brown, gave it 2 coats. Once dried, I added the football laces as well. Top it off with some cute mini footballs and you have a festive centerpiece. Now for the rest of the candy bar, get candy tins in your favorite football team's colors. Mix and match. And you have such a fun and festive candy bar. Now it's time to make decorative jars for our utensils. Get acrylic paint in the color of your favorite team. I started by painting this jar orange. Then, after it dried, always add a second coat. Once it's completely dry, use some very fine sandpaper and just scuff it a little bit. Tie it off with some twine and add your utensils. Next, I did the exact same thing with a color blue. And finally, I wanted some football jars. I painted my mason jar brown. Once it dried, I added laces with tape, and you have a fun way to store your utensils. The last thing I wanted to make was a festive tub for drinks. I found this blue tub, added a wide orange ribbon with a glue gun, and now it's time to add your ice and your drinks.
Not only are you going to have some great snacks, you're going to be able to show off your team spirit at the game. Of course, I'd love you to subscribe, click on those post notifications so you know next time I post a video, share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up. Please also comment below. See you next time.